What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I am going to be showing you guys how to do this beautiful and elegant updo with barrel rolls. So if you like So to get started with this style, you want to go ahead and start off by putting your locks into some barrel rolls. I have a video that I posted prior to this one on how to do the perfect barrel rolls. So definitely check that out first before you get started with this style. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and get right into this beautiful and elegant updo. Once you've completed your barrel rolls, go ahead and start by putting them up into a ponytail at the crown of your head. I used a pipe cleaner here to secure this ponytail. Also, remember to leave the two barrel rolls on the side of your head closest to your ear down. Getting started with this style, you want to go ahead and take a barrel roll and roll it up into a spiral. You will be seeing me using pins here. I try to minimize the amount of pins I use on every updo, so you will see me using anywhere between 1 to 3 pins for each one of my spirals. For this particular style, I broke it down very easy for you, and we will be doing approximately 2 rows of these spirals. As the video continues, you'll see me working on this first row, and then we're going to move right into the second row of spirals. For each one of the spirals, if you notice for this first row, I am taking the spirals and I am laying them just a bit below where the ponytail begins at the crown of the head. Okay, so make sure to do that, and also when you're adding your pins, make sure you add them comfortably, that they are not sticking, and that they gently slide into place. We're coming up on the end of the first row of spirals, and they should look something like this. On to the second row of spirals, we will be using the same styling technique to complete the second row. The only difference here is we will be slightly overlapping these spirals on top of the spirals of the first row. However, I don't cover the first row to the point that you can't see it. So make sure that you can still see your first row, but just overlap the spirals on top of the existing row. Place them however you like. Do what works for you and what works for your hair. you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about this beautiful and elegant updo with barrel rolls. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know